Well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will take you through Tabi Testnet V2. Now again, we all know what is Tabi. I have covered a lot of video about Tabi in the past. Tabi V2 is there, Tabichain is there, and now we have Testnet version 2. Everyone is waiting for this airdrop, and let me tell you, this is going to be massive because it is funded by Binance. Yes, let me show you the chart right over here, which is its page, and you can see here ICO they have raised $16 million, and the top investors are Hashkey Capital, Binance, Animoca Brands, and 10 other players. So that means this is going to be massive. And if you haven't yet participated, or if you have participated in the past, this is a chance to get ready for this V2 and try it out because they're going to airdrop your tokens during the mainnet launch. So again, without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Tabi and let's get into the details. Now, what is Tabi, guys? Tabi is actually a blockchain for gaming ecosystem. So they are building a next gen gaming ecosystem on a blockchain which is called as Tabi. So Tabi is here to onboard the next wave of web 2 or web 3 users, and they have already onboarded a lot of games which are in process of getting published on the blockchain. And now this is their V2, which means testnet version 2, in which you can participate, you can try it out, connect your wallet, do the task, and get some good points, and that will be converted into airdrop in the near future when they will announce it, likely in 2025. Of course, there's a Tabi supply. I've explained it in my previous videos, close to like 10 billion tokens they have, and that means the token has a very high chance of hitting $1 because I'm particularly sure of it, because they are going to list on Binance. So without further delay, let me tell you what are the steps that you need to do in order to get eligible for the airdrop. So first of all, if you haven't yet watched my previous videos on Tabi, click on the link below or above and watch those videos to get some understanding of Tabi. Again, if you missed participating in the early stages of Tabi testnet, you can still participate in this one and get some good points, and that will be converted into airdrop. Remember to make use of only one or single EVM wallet across its all testnet, otherwise you will miss the chance of gaining a bigger share of the airdrop. Now, what is going on? So this is Tabi testnet 2 V2 carnival, you call it, and again you need to perform a set of tasks. These are the tasks. Once you do it, you will get some points, some check marks, and again you need to connect your wallet with the Tabi V2, which is actually their own Telegram bot, a gaming bot. So let me come to this later and let me show you how it is done. So first of all, you can see here, go to this carnival.tabichain.com. I will share all the links in the description, so don't worry about it. Again, go to Tabichain, carnival.tabichain.com, and once you go, you need to have a testnet token, and to get this you need to have an EVM address and get a MetaMask wallet first. It is better to use a MetaMask because that works perfectly with Tabichain testnet. So once you connect your wallet, like you can see my wallet is already connected, you need to first get some token from the faucet. So again, today the faucet is full, but I have already claimed my token. I've done some tasks and I will show you one or two tasks how you can do it. So once you claim the faucet, claim the tokens. I will share this link. Of course, you can claim the faucet right over here by clicking on this button here, which is not visible because it is already claimed for the day. Again, you can go here, which is the faucet option. You can see the tick option here. That means I have completed this task. Similarly, you need to visit each and every task and get the check mark done. That means you have completed the task. Once you do it, you will be eligible for the airdrop. Now let me show you one task, how to do that. Let's say this is Tabi V2. This is one of the very important tasks that you must do because Tabichain has its own Telegram bot which give you a special token which will be converted into real dollars, just like you have Docs token, Notcoin, or maybe the recent what is called as Hamster Combat. And again, Tabi has its own Telegram bot which is Tabi V2, which is similar to these apps. So again, if I open it up, it will ask me to perform a set of action, and once I do it, I will get a check mark, which means I will be eligible for the airdrop, at least some number. Now it is written here, enter the Tabi V2 mini app, submit your EVM address in Tabi V2 airdrop page, and reach level 3. Go to Tabi testnet V2 faucet, task claim Tabi on testnet V2. Now again, once you click on go, it will open up the Telegram bot for you. So let me just open it right away. The link is shared in the description, guys. Do not join it using this link. Join the link that I have shared below, because if you do that, you will get some extra points. So that means you will gain some edge just before entering the airdrop. So click on the link below, the referral link of this Tabi V2, and start participating in a Tabi V2 carnival. How? I will just show you right over here. So this is Tabi V2, guys. click on the start button here. Once you click on the start button, it will open a page. Tabi is here. Just wait for a second for the bot to load. So again, they are also giving away 20,000 plus token if you invite right people. So in my case, this is how it looks like. You need to click on claim every day and do a daily login to use this particular bot. It is very simple, just like any other bot. You can do it. Click on the task and complete all the tasks. Do daily check-ins, watch ads, and all the tasks done. And once you do it, you'll collect some points and that will increase your level. Go to this Shiro part and here you can see level 89. So my level is 89 right now, and similarly you can see your level. So if you sign up with my referral code, you will get some levels up, and you need to have level 3 to qualify or do the task complete, right? Check-in is there, invite is there, airdrop is there. So do this, and again mine is there. This is coming up, task is there, spin is there. Okay, so you can try this out yourself. It is very simple. Again, use my referral link to get extra points to get started as early as possible. You will get all the points, all the details once you browse this part and once you start doing the activities. You can see referrals. These are my referrals, and this is my spin, this is my task, and let's say just like that, you can click on claim and you get the points right over here, right? It is better to use it on the app because that works best. And similarly, you can subscribe it, you can do it. And now come back here, which is the main page, and you can see my level is already 89. I'm above level 3, and I need to go to Tabi V2 Testnet, task claim Tabi Faucet V2. If I click on verify, it will verify me like this because I have met the criteria, and click on OK. And once I click on OK, I think the job is done. So again, no minting is there in this particular task. Similarly, there are other tasks you can do that easily. It's very easy, guys. If you face any questions, just comment below or join me on Telegram group, which is the link is shared in the description, and I will help you out with it. Similarly, perform all the tasks. Very easy, very simple. It is free. Do not miss it. This can be a big airdrop for you. If it reaches $1, you are in for a treat, and I think it will reach $1 because we are approaching the bull run in 2025, and also the token launch is pending, long due pending. And of course, this can be a game changer for you if you are pursuing airdrops. Again, don't miss it. Follow all the steps. Have any questions, comment below, join from the links shared in the description, and let's meet tomorrow with a new video and new content. Till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.